Today is the day, people. Today is the day. Today is the day. But anyways, still have some news to drop. I can't I just can't ignore these news. This news was literally broke by Manning's man. Came out with the official news. But definitely, I want to give you guys some insight in some key factors and things that led up to this about the particular player, and I'm going to give you my understanding of what's happening of the situation. So, people, smash the like button and also subscribe to the Military Guna TV. This is going to be a good one. Now, Demarai, people, Manning's man just announced it. That Demarai is official that he's now working on his paperwork to come and play for the Reggae Boyz in the next round of fixtures, which is in October. He's trying to affix himself in that in that aspect of it, so that he will be a part of the squad back then. No, things are looking good. Things are looking okay. Maybe people would want to say that this is not the time that most people will be coming in, because everything is looking good. We have quality players coming in from all different angles. So we accept everyone to come and prove a point that you are worthy enough to come and stake a claim in this team. Now, this picture that you're seeing, people, this I tweeted this on the 16th of July 2021. So that's from July, right? Now, I said this is what happened. Demarai to play for Jamaica with a question mark. Recent actions of the player points in only one direction, and that is to play for the Reggae Boyz. Could this be Leon Daly's doing? And followed the England team and started to follow the JFF. No, that is his recent action. That happened from in July. And those actions occurs over like 2 days. We unfollowed the England national team and started to follow JFF and follow quite a few of our local players and also the players that are playing in England. Reggae Boyz that are playing in England. So that is the reason I said everything was pointing to the direction of Demarai coming to play, coming on to playing for the Reggae Boyz. And guess what's happening right now? No, we're getting confirmed news that Demarai is sorting out his paperwork to come and play for the Reggae Boyz. And in all aspects, as I said, this is good news. It doesn't matter how one look at it. It is really, really good news. Quite a few of my fellow vloggers made a video about it already. But in all aspects, this is now my official video. I didn't make any video on it. This is my official video. I knew something was going on. I didn't want to say anything as yet until I got some official information. And now Manning's man has announced it on his program that his paperwork are now being sorted out in line and in preparation for him to make a viewing or a debut in the next World Cup qualifiers fixtures, which is in October. Now, tell me, put it in the comment section, guys. Do you believe that this is now the time that most of these players will be eager to jump at the project that we have at hand? If you believe so, put it in the comment section. Also, put that in the comment section and tell me what you think about that. Tell me your thoughts about that. Because adding another Demarai to the squad, it's bolstering the squad. It's more quality added on to the squad. Yes, at this point in time, we know that it's quite difficult because of the European-based players, the English players, the quarantine issues coming in and playing. That's all that. But in the same sense, it's all pointing to the direction that he wants to play. He would want to come to play for us. And now it's official that he is working on his documentations to come and play for the Reggae Boyz. Now, in all aspects, that is really, really good, people. If we should sit back and have a look, more of these news will be coming in to light. Now, we have heard whispers, literally whispers, coming out that Isaac Aiden is also trying to sort out his, is trying to feel around to see if he could come on board. He's thinking, he's considering now. He's really, really making having that consideration of the likeliness of coming to play for the Reggae Boyz. We know the situation where he was already contacted, but he didn't feel as if he was needed, and he didn't feel as if his duties would have bolstered or made an impact, and he didn't feel welcome as though he'd want to feel. But definitely, he's now making those considerations in everything that he's seeing right now with all these type of quality players coming in, I'm quite sure it will open the gateways for more quality players coming in. It's going to be quite difficult also for the local base players, but yet still we still have to consider the local base players and include them as much as possible. But the difference is that this will also help the local players to reach the heights that they would want to, and also help with the grassroots football program that is going on in our country at this moment. So until then, we definitely will have to continue to work with these players that are in the diaspora who would willing to come and play for us. Now, I have another news that I would like to talk about. He's a player from Malines Road FC, Malines United. I'm gonna show it to you guys. But this one went under the radar. This one went under the radar. So I'm gonna show it to you guys right now. This one went under the radar, people. No one knew of this, and it just popped up out of nowhere. So Fakibi Farquharson from Malines Road, or Malines United. How do I say Malines Road? From Malines United, joins up with a team in Serbia in the second Slovenia in the second a team in Slovenia in the second tier division. In the second tier division. Their name is let me see if I can find it. It's the league is Druga Liga and the second tier. The club is ND Hilaria. That's how they pronounce it. It's Illirija. Hilaria. That's how they pronounce it. They literally enunciate some of their words quite different than how we do. 1911 or 1911. That's how they pronounce it. But it is showing us that things are happening for our local based football. And as you guys know, it's let me see if I can find the I'm gonna try and find something, people. International dimension, same as Tyreek McGee, same as Shamar Nicholson. Few recent result, Kaim Paris. Also, the guy that was I can't remember his name. Oh, I reported it on him already. I definitely reported it on him already. Biggs, Ronaldo Biggs. Yes, same as Ronaldo Biggs. They're really using up the Slovenian league as a good division to target for our players, and these guys are doing some great job. These guys are doing some really, really good job in getting our players out there. But as I say, people, he's 21 years old, very young midfielder. He already played 7 games already in the JPL this season, so he's match fit and he's actually ready. Minutes per 11, 88 minutes. So definitely he's completing all of those games, which means he's a key figure in the team. Now we join on August the 31st and deadline day of the transfer market. But we will keep a track of him and see how well he does. We will keep a track of him and see how well he does. So people, Demarai, he's the main talking point, but also we cannot let this slide. Fakibi Farquharson, we cannot let it slide because Fakibi. Why did I say Fakibi? Sorry, Fakibi Farquharson, or Farquharson, but that's how we pronounce it. Farquharson, Fakibi Farquharson. Definitely, this is another good outlet in how we're trying to move and exploit the market and get our players in the market. So great deal for him. Hopefully, he can do his best, and we'll see how he rise from here. But the main talking point is Demarai. Big move for Demarai. Hopefully, everything is quite well and quite good for him. And we'll see how that one. And we'll see how we progress with the Demarai news, people. So that's it, people. Definitely, it's match day, and we all know match day, and we're expecting a good one. As Management would said, winnings, winnings, people, winnings. But thank you very much, people, for tuning in. But definitely, let's go, Reggae Boyz. Come on, you Reggae Boyz. COYRB. Come on, you Reggae Boyz. We are out.